guys, welcome to Shreya kitchen, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make this chicken gravy. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe my channel. Now without doing any delay, let's quickly see our recipe. So here are the ingredients needed for chicken curry. So these are salt, tomato, garam masala powder, ginger and garlic paste, onion, and chicken. So these all are ingredients that are needed for delicious chicken curry. So now let's heat the pan. The pan must be heated, and then let's add mustard oil in the pan for the chicken curry, because the mustard oil makes the chicken more tasty. As soon as the pan gets heated, let me add a little bit mustard oil into the pan. After the oil gets heated, let me add bay leaves, which is also known as tejpata. Firstly, I am going to fry the chicken, then only I am going to add rest other ingredients. So the oil is heated. Now let me add chicken into it. Let me deep fry chicken into the pan. The chicken must be deep fried, and then only we will add the rest of the ingredients into it. Let's fry the chicken in high flame for 2 to 3 minutes. And after the chicken gets a little bit fried, let's add a little bit salt and a little bit turmeric into it, so it gets into nice color. The chicken is getting fried, so let us flip it 1 to 2 times to check either it is properly roasted or not. It must be properly fried, and then only we will add the rest of the ingredients. After the chicken gets properly fried, now let me add onion to the chicken. Now we'll fry this onion. After the onion becomes into brown in color, now let's add tomato into the chicken. Let's add tomato and also tomato in this chicken. Let's fry this until this tomato turns into the gravy. After the tomato gets mixed into chicken and the tomato becomes in the gravy form, now let's add garlic and ginger paste into the chicken. And let's stir it. Also add garam masala. Now add a little bit water into it. After adding a little bit water into it, it comes to this color. Now keep it in a very low flame and close it with the help of a plate. Cover it with the plate and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then the chicken will be cooked. Chicken ready. So now our chicken gravy is ready. So let me place it down into the bowl.